Tommy is hanging from last night. But we're not busy, so I'm gonna do this for all of you.
Fuck it up. That's the best one.